Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well at your home. Students, today I, Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to explain chapter number 6, MS PowerPoint. In this chapter, first of all, we have to understand what is MS PowerPoint. Students, it is a software. It is a software which is used to create presentation. अब आप सोच रहे होंगे प्रेजेंटेशन क्या होता है. व्हाट इज प्रेजेंटेशन? सीट a presentation is a group of slides which is used to display information in an attractive and effective manner. मीन्स प्रेजेंटेशन एक तरीका है अपनी इंफॉर्मेशन को ऑडियंस को डिस्प्ले करने के लिए, जिसको हम किसी अच्छे तरीके से और इफ़ेक्टिव तरीके से ऑडियंस को डिस्प्ले कर सकते हैं. दैट कंटेन्स इंफॉर्मेशन in the form of text, images, graphics and sound. Means we have various modes to represent the information to the audience. It may be a written form. We can also display images and graphics, and we can also record the sound. Now next topic is steps to open MS PowerPoint. First step is we have to click on start button. Students, first of all we have to click on start button. This start button is present at the bottom left corner of the screen. As we click on start button, we get the pop-up menu. From that menu we have to click on My Office. Again one more sub menu appears, and from that we have to click on MS PowerPoint. All these steps you can see in your book also. See all these steps from where you have to click on start button. This is the start button. As you click here, you get this pop-up menu. This is the pop-up menu. From this menu you have to click on My Office. As you click on My Office, you get this list, or you can see the dialog box of the MS Office. From this box you have to click on PowerPoint. As you click on PowerPoint, you get the PowerPoint window. Next topic is creating a new presentation. To create a new presentation, first of all you have to click on Office button. As we click on Office button, we get one drop down list. From that list we have to click on New option. I will show you where is Office button in your book. Then you have to select the way to create a new presentation. As we click on new option, we get different ways to create the presentation. So we have to select any one way to create the presentation. Select any one way to create the presentation. From the appeared list. Okay, same steps you can see here. You have to click on Office button. Students, at this corner there is a Office button which you have to click to open the drop down menu. From that menu you have to click on New option. Okay, as you click on New option you get the list of different ways. From here you have to select any one way. Okay, and now I am going to tell you one more way to create the new presentation by using the File tab. Steps to create new presentation by using File tab are: first of all we have to click on File tab and then click the new option. As we click on new option, new presentation dialog box appear. From there we have to click the blank presentation. From appeared dialog box. See steps from here. We have to click on File tab. As we click here we get this list. From this list we have to select the new option, right? After selecting the new option we get the new presentation dialog box. Students, this is the new presentation dialog box. From here we have to click on blank presentation. This is the blank presentation. Okay, as we click here, one new blank presentation will be created. Now next topic is we will use the installed templates to create the presentation. We have to follow these steps to create a presentation by using installed templates. Click on the File tab and here we have to click on New option and then new presentation dialog box appears. From there we have to click on Installed templates. As we click on installed templates, we get the installed templates dialog box. Okay, from there we have to select any one template. From appeared box and click on create button. See all these steps here. Click on file tab. This is the file tab, students. Then this list appears. From this list you have to click on new option. As you click on new option, this box appear in front of you. From this box you have to click on installed templates. Okay, as installed templates will be clicked, this box appear in front of you. From there you have to select the presentation means templates and click on create button. Now we have to learn what are the installed templates या themes. Students, these are saved presentation. In another words we can say these are the ready-made presentations. Okay. Which are the combination of pre-formatted layouts, pre-formatted layout means जो पहले से बना बनाया डिजाइन है. Fonts, font is the writing style. And color scheme, here color scheme is the color which has been used to write the text. And graphic elements, कहने का मतलब इतना सा है बेटा कि ये जो प्रेजेंटेशन है ना, इंस्टॉल्ड थीम्स जो हैं ये बने बनाए डिज़ाइंस हैं. ठीक है, बने बनाए कुछ प्रेजेंटेशंस हैं जिनमें हम प्री फॉर्मेटेड लेआउट्स देखते हैं, कुछ स्टाइलिश फॉन्ट्स देखते हैं, कलर स्कीम्स हमें मिलती है और ग्राफिक्स एलिमेंट्स मिलते हैं. मीन्स इनको देखकर हम अपना जो प्रेजेंटेशन है उसको क्रिएट कर सकते हैं या इन्हीं टेम्पलेट्स का यूज़, थीम्स का यूज़ हम अपने प्रेजेंटेशन में कर सकते हैं. नाउ स्टेप्स टू अप्लाई installed templates are, first of all you have to go to the design tab. In the design tab you have to select any one theme. And then go to the, but as you select the theme from here na, it will be applied on your presentation. Okay, after that you have to go to the variants group. And then select the color variation. And the theme which you have selected will create a title slide itself. The selected theme will automatically creates टाइटल स्लाइड। मीन्स जैसे ही आप थीम को सिलेक्ट करोगे वो ऑटो अपने आप ही एक टाइटल स्लाइड्स आपके लिए क्रिएट कर देगी। These are the steps which you have to follow. Okay students, now what is your homework? You have to write recap and terms in your notebook. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.